Inventions, and Technology.
My name is Morris, and I'm dry. And this is the Morris Zero. It's a dryer from the future. It might just be the fastest, jetless dryer on Earth.
Which is good because I've got to be somewhere in 20 minutes, and this just happened.
Thankfully, the Morris Zero uses vacuum technology. No, not that vacuum, space vacuum. Because just like in outer space, the water inside Morris evaporates at a lower temperature, thus requiring less heat and energy to vaporize. Combined with its infrared heating system, it can dry your clothes in as little as 15 minutes. The world needs this.
Sure, I like kicking it at the laundromat every Friday night. But what am I supposed to do when all the machines are full? And I also don't need to be judged for my awesome underwear. Why be here when you could be here, safely doing laundry in the comfort of your own home? And I do mean safely, because the Morris Zero uses a moisture sensor system that detects when drying is finished and automatically turns off the device. Say goodbye to overheating, energy waste, shrinkage, and germs. Thanks to ultraviolet cleaning, Morris eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria, so your clothes come out as fresh as newly harvested pistachios. Taking the Morris Zero on the go with you is as easy as pie.
Sweetie, we're on vacation. Do you have to do this now?
Whoops. Sorry, honey.
But seriously, this thing is pretty nifty.
Its compact body makes it easy to move around, and because it's ventless, there's no need for complicated pipe setups or installation. And when the detachable tank is full, you just remove it, dump the water, and it's good to go.
It is so handy. I don't know which Morris I love more.
So there you have it. A future where drying is faster, greener, and safer than ever before. So back us today, and you'll be the first to receive your very own at an exclusive discounted price.
Dyson's latest V11 cord-free vacuum intelligently senses and adjusts suction and runtime based on floor type. Soft carbon fiber filaments capture fine dust from hard floors, while stiff bristles dislodge ground and dirt from your carpets. And the new digital display lets you check and control performance, enabling you to deep clean everywhere.
Accidents happen, so you need a better way to clean. Introducing Amisonic, the wireless ultrasonic washer. Amisonic is a washing machine for virtually anything, including fruits, vegetables, delicate fabrics, jewelry, silverware, and more. It even comes with portable paper soap. The app comes with unique settings for specific items, and you can even make your own. Inside Amisonic is a powerful yet compact ultrasonic motor. Simply soak the item in water, insert Amisonic, then push start on the app. Once activated, it generates microscopic air bubbles in the water that collapse and create powerful jet streams that remove dirt and bacteria. For small items, Amisonic saves money by using less water and energy than standard washing machines. Before Amisonic, cleaning jewelry could be tricky.
Honey, where's your wedding ring?
But now, you can wash those hard-to-reach spots without worrying about damage. And Amisonic is wireless. Throw it in a bag, in a suitcase, or your pocket, and you're good to go. Amisonic is made for travelers, especially ones who want to keep clean.
Dad, what?
Just find a body of water, put it in, and you've got a portable washer anywhere you go.
Whether at home or on the go, Amisonic provides you with an effective, easy way to clean the things that you need, all in the palm of your hand. So if you really want to clean up your act, back this project to receive the world's first smart ultrasonic washer.
Imagine a travel and camping washing machine that fits in the palm of your hand. Turns out, this one is too big and needs electricity. Introducing the new Scrubber Wash Bag Mini, the world's smallest washing machine for socks and jocks, or a t-shirt. The Scrubber Wash Bag Mini is perfect for ultralight hiking, camping, holiday travel, and business travel. This new product follows on from our award-winning original Scrubber Wash Bag, which is used by over 140,000 travellers and campers. It's half the weight and even more compact, making it perfect for ultralight travellers. The Scrubber Wash Bag Mini's patented design includes a flexible inner washboard that allows a machine-quality wash anywhere in just minutes. To wash clothes, just add water and cleaning liquid. Seal the bag, deflate, and rub the clothes against the inner washboard. Then, just rinse and hang to dry. For ultralight hikers and campers, a clean pair of socks and underwear is re-energising and hygienic. And the Scrubber Wash Bag Mini allows them to be washed anywhere without harming waterways. Between washes, the Scrubber Wash Bag Mini doubles as a bucket, a dry bag for additional dry storage, a phone protector, and a wet laundry bag. Used for travel, the Scrubber Wash Bag Mini is more hygienic and effective than hand washing in a sink. Plus, it helps save money by avoiding exorbitant hotel laundry fees. The Scrubber Wash Bag Mini features are designed to provide an easy-to-use laundry device that doesn't compromise weight. These features include our lightweight TPU-coated durable fabric, an easy-to-use twist valve for deflation, the flexible inner washboard which is backed by a grip surface, a window to monitor the washing progress, optimal water level markings, instructions printed on the bag, a roll-down closure with guidelines, and D-ring for convenient carrying. Pack a Scrubber Wash Bag Mini on your next journey or outdoor adventure and do more with less. The Scrubber Wash Bag Mini. Do more with less.
The Dyson 360 iRobot is powered by the high-speed Dyson digital motor. It's small and light, yet delivers higher suction than any other robot vacuum. A unique 360-degree vision system sees all the way around itself at once, selecting reference points to track and triangulate its position so it knows where it is, where it's been, and where it is yet to clean. Systematically cleaning your home in 3-meter grids. Patented radial root cyclone technology generates powerful centrifugal forces to fling dust out of the air and into the bin. The robot's cleaner head spans the full width of the machine. Carbon fiber filaments remove fine dust from hard floors, and stiff nylon bristles remove ground-in dirt from carpets. Continuous tank tracks climb over obstacles and maintain speed and direction, ensuring it stays on course. And the Dyson Link app allows you to start, pause, and schedule your cleans, as well as monitor and update the Dyson 360 iRobot vacuum. The Dyson 360 iRobot, the most powerful suction of any robot vacuum.
The Karcher SC2 steam cleaner is part of the range of products developed by the world's leading provider of cleaning technology. Easy to set up and with storage for all the accessories, the SC2 is ready to go in just a few minutes. Using nothing but tap water, the SC2 deep cleans all around your home, killing 99.99% of bacteria. Using the extension poles, specially designed Easy Fix floor tool and microfiber cloth ensures a deep clean on any type of hard flooring, including stone, laminate and vinyl. A simple switch to the hand tool and you can continue easily cleaning all those surfaces that usually require a deep scrub. From tiles, work surfaces, cooker hobs and doors, to glass and shower screens. The SC2 is perfect for them all. The detail nozzle and brush lets you complete the job by getting to all those difficult, hard to clean places where grime and limescale builds up. Once finished, the microfiber cloths can be simply removed and placed in the washing machine. The SC2 can then be stored away with ease.